Welcome to this beautiful new Lakes of Aloma listing. This is the home you didn't even know you wanted. Beautifully redone kitchen, just under 2,500 square feet. This 4-bedroom, 2.5 bath is hitting the market at a price you're gonna love. Just under $600,000, you can make this dream your reality. The serenity of this house, of this neighborhood, is unparalleled to anything else you're gonna find around here. Lakes of Aloma is one of the only communities in Oviedo, has beautiful brick facade all around the community, and this home is no exception. You're gonna absolutely love living here, hearing the birds and the nature and everything Florida and its natural setting has to offer, so don't miss this opportunity to make it home.